This is Peter from Boyoun company. And our company is managing bridge and tunnel steel formwork. Our production like cantilever from traveler, precast segmental box girder formwork, pier and pier cap formwork. And also we supply for underslung cable stay bridge formwork and also for tunnel lining formwork. And behind me you can see is our tunnel lining formwork. It is for the full round tunnel. And you can see the first section is for the middle beam. And over there, the circle one is for the tunnel lining formwork. This formwork is under installation. It is for our Malaysia tunnel project. It's for water transfer tunnel. And for tunnel formwork, we supply for several projects. And it has two types. For the one is for half circle, and the other one is the full circle, full round type. And behind me is just for the full round tunnel formwork. And the steel material is for the Q235B steel material. And for the driving, the travel is by the hydraulic system and also by the winch. So, if you want to know more about our tunnel lining formwork, you can contact us. Thank you.